Doorloop, Showdigs. Which one is the better property management solution? Well, today we're going to explore them. We're going to see which one has better features suited to your specific needs, and we'll figure it out from there. So let's dive in. So here we are. Let's jump into Doorloop. Now, so Doorloop simplifies property management with accounting, tenant relationship management, maintenance, reporting features. This all enhances efficiency and boosts your ROI. Let's have a look at their accounting automation. So some of the key features here is automated rent collection and conciliation. You can integrate with QuickBooks or Xero. It has an automated late fee calculations and reminders feature, and then it has comprehensive financial reporting. So it automates rent collection and reconciliation. You can integrate it with your accounting software, and that late fee calculation, that's always fantastic because that is like a manual operation and now it's automated, so it's saving you tons of time and effort. Having a look now at their tenant management, there is an online portal, so your tenants can actually pay rent as well as submit requests online. This can really just streamline the whole process. Also, they have a credit, criminal, and eviction history check, which ensures that you have quality tenants. Also, announcements and direct messaging streamlines interactions. So they've got fantastic communication tools for you and your tenants as well as your teammates. You can enjoy paying rent and submitting requests, managing your communications with your tenants fantastically. Let's have a look at Showdigs. So Showdigs is fantastic tenant management. Let's have a look. So the first thing we're going to see is their comprehensive reporting. So you get key metrics, user-friendly interface, and you get real-time insights. You can track your performance with easy-to-read reports. And when I say easy-to-read reports, I don't mean like complicated stuff that you see on the left-hand side over here, because that's just a bunch of graphs. I'm talking about really easy-to-read reports that are for human beings, okay, not robots. Also, they have an intuitive design which makes navigation simple as well as effective. And this is great because if you have a tool that is trying to make your life easier, why should their interface be difficult to navigate? Also, you can access data instantly to make better informed decisions rather than guessing. Having a look also now at their automated requests, it's effortless management from submission to solution of maintenance issues. So as you can see here, first of all, the tenant submits a maintenance request. The resolution is in progress for an efficient service, and then the manager reviews and approves the request promptly. You can actually also lock in the person that is in charge of maintenance, so that person will get it directly, so you're not going through the property management or the property manager directly to have your requests met. Having a look also at their real-time financial tracking. So you can actually monitor your financial health in real time with ease. So basically, you can have a look at a dashboard that gives you an overview of your financial health, and it can steer you in the right direction. It can give you some insights as to where you can make improvements and where you're doing well. So if you are looking for property management, one of the software that we had a look at today will be a solution for you. The key takeaway really is to go and try it out, see what actually works in a real life scenario, and then use it for a little while and test if it's efficient. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we will see you next time.